Today we'll talk about castor oil and what it can do for your face, hair and anti-aging. It's definitely nature's natural Botox, and this oil reverses skin aging. Castor oil has been used for thousands of years as a natural remedy, with remarkable healing and cosmetic properties. Historically used by Egyptians, Romans and other ancient civilizations, it continues to be celebrated today for its multifaceted benefits. Today, we'll explain castor oil benefits for your face and how to use it. Castor oil benefits for your hair and how to properly use it. Does castor oil make eyelashes grow? Castor oil benefits for anti-aging, safety and usage tips. And most important, which castor oil you can trust. Today's video is going to be interesting, so hang till the end. Let's start. Did you ever notice people who are in their 40s but look late 20s to early 30s? Yes, they often owe their youthful appearance to natural remedies like castor oil. Being rich in ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that deeply moisturizes, reduces inflammation, and has antimicrobial properties, making it remarkable for achieving glowing, youthful skin. Castor oil benefits for your face. Castor oil is often called nature's natural Botox due to its remarkable anti-aging properties. Ricinoleic, the deep penetrating moisturizer, helps trap water in the skin, keeping it hydrated and plump. This makes it ideal for reducing fine lines, wrinkles and dry patches. Applying a few drops at night can give you visibly softer, firmer and more glowing skin next morning. Plus, its anti-inflammatory effects soothe irritated skin, while its antimicrobial properties help balance the skin's microbiome. How to use castor oil on face. Cleanse your face thoroughly to remove dirt. Gently warm a few drops of castor oil between your fingertips. Massage the oil using circular motions. Leave it overnight. Then rinse with warm water next morning. You can also mix castor oil with a lighter carrier oil, like jojoba, almond or coconut oil. However, apply it at least 2 hours before going to bed, or it will end up in your pillowcase. Castor oil benefits for your hair. Castor oil can significantly improve the health of your hair and scalp. When massaged into the scalp, it helps stimulate thicker and healthier hair growth, especially beneficial for those experiencing thinning hair or alopecia. Its deep hydration helps reduce split ends and dryness, giving hair a soft, glossy finish. How to use castor oil on hair. Warm 1 to 2 tablespoons of castor oil by rubbing it between your palms or using a water bath. Section your hair and use your fingertips to massage the oil into your scalp, focusing on areas with thinning or dryness. Work any excess oil down the lengths of your hair, especially on the ends. After applying, cover your hair with a shower cap or towel to contain heat and prevent drips. Leave on overnight for deeper conditioning. Next, wash hair thoroughly with a mild or clarifying shampoo. You may need to shampoo twice to fully remove the oil, as it is quite sticky. Castor oil helps nourish the scalp, boost hair hydration, and improve shine when used once weekly. And the most commonly asked question: does castor oil make eyelashes grow? Yes, it worked for many. For longer, thicker eyelashes, castor oil is a natural and affordable solution. Rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, castor oil nourishes your eyelashes. It's a potent follicle-stimulating, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial oil that makes your eyelashes darker, thicker and stronger. Choose a high-quality, organic, cold-pressed and pure brand oil. We'll suggest you one of the best ones in a few minutes. Dab a small amount at the roots of your lashes at night, using an applicator. Gently coat the upper and lower lash lines with a thin layer of castor oil, being careful not to get any oil directly into your eyes, as this can cause irritation. Do it daily. Results can be shown in about 2 weeks. You can also use it for your eyebrow care. Castor oil benefits for anti-aging. Safety and usage tips. Castor oil offers multiple benefits for anti-aging and skin vitality. Key anti-aging benefits include: supports collagen and elastin production, improves skin elasticity and firmness, deep hydration and moisture retention, improves skin texture and tone, and natural skin repair. Experts even call castor oil nature's Botox, without the risks or costs of cosmetic procedures. Safety and usage tips. While castor seeds contain ricin, a highly toxic compound, this toxin is completely removed during the oil extraction process, making commercially available castor oil safe for topical use. However, pregnant women should avoid applying castor oil around the abdomen or pelvic area, as it may induce labour. Due to its thick and sticky consistency, many users dilute castor oil with lighter oils, such as coconut or olive oil, for easier application, though it can also be used pure in small amounts. So which castor oil you can trust for all of these? Viva Naturals organic cold-pressed castor oil, USDA certified, non-GMO project verified, and hexane-free. This organic oil is made with only the highest grade of castor oil. A great daily use serum for your complete anti-aging treatment. Each bottle of Viva Naturals pure, cold-pressed castor oil comes with a complete beauty kit: mascara wand, 10ml mascara vial, brush stopper, brow brush and liner brush for all your at-home beauty needs. Don't miss out. Check link in the description below. Your skin and hair will thank you. If you have any question or just want to share your experience, please feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.